Hey guys! In today's video, I'll be reviewing the top 8 best backup camera. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Furrion Vision backup camera. If you're hauling a big camper, you need to think about driver visibility, indicating the presence of the load, and when you reach your destination, the safety of you and your possessions. The Vision S system is built to contribute in every aspect with a selection of cameras. Not just the rear shark fin with 120-degree visibility, but side cameras with 65-degree visibility and amber marker lights. These can be installed in place of existing lights, cutting down on installation effort. Ideally at the front on either side to give a view of the blind spot. Finally, a doorway camera is included which affords a better view of visitors, welcome or otherwise. Number 7 in my list is Dallux wireless backup camera. If you're looking for decent resolution, a wide angle of view, and the monitor to see that picture back on, then Dallux is offering a single camera that could help you out whether you're looking to fit it on a car, camper, truck, or SUV. The camera sends a 1080 pixels signal, but the 5-inch monitor, which, yes, could also be more elegant, displays at its maximum resolution, 1024 by 600. Dallux does sell different screen configurations. The camera can draw power from the 1230 volt which powers your taillights. Because it returns a signal as digital wireless, it is easier to fit than some while still being secure. How often the secure video is needed for reversing cameras is open to debate, but practical security comes from easily popping the monitor out of sight when parked thanks to the suction cup. Number 6 in my list is Auto-VOX Solar 1 wireless backup camera. Fitting a reversing camera can be a daunting task if you're not a motor enthusiast, but there is an unsurmountable need for power, the screen and the camera, and a connection between the two. The Auto-VOX Solar 1 takes advantage of wireless to transmit the video from the camera, and a solar panel to power it. In pure specification terms, the 5-inch display is a bit disappointing. A 7-inch version is available. It draws its power from your vehicle's 12-volt cigarette lighter socket, has 3 buttons on the side to tweak settings, and a small antenna attachment and a remote battery-powered switch you can stick somewhere within reach of your driving position. The actual fitting involved removing your rear license plate, which must be under 17 centimeter and 6.97 inches tall. After that, tuck the solar panel and camera bracket behind and screw it back together. Number 5 in my list is Wolfbox 12 backup camera. The Wolfbox G840H, a refined version of the company's G840S, incorporates backup camera, HER loop recording which benefits from a G sensor to detect collisions, and a Sony Stavis sensor to help ensure license plates are committed to the microSD card. The device's main strength can be seen as its biggest weakness too, the 12 screen, which attaches to an existing mirror using the rubber bands included in the box, can feel a bit big in a smaller vehicle, but Wolfbox does offer 10 versions. We did appreciate the powerful dual-core processing. Not insignificant here is important devices that are subject to so much sunshine do not overheat, but also for the more prosaic reason that it makes the touchscreen smooth enough to use, though these things could always be better. Number 4 in my list is DoHonest wireless backup camera. Designed to work at night and featuring a 6-layer glass camera lens, the DoHonest V25 digital wireless backup camera has you covered if you're looking for a solid low-light performer. The range on the unit is 36.0 feet while a vehicle is in reverse, and the range is 30.0 feet during continuous use. You can also choose from multiple parking guidelines to find the one that best suits your car. Plus, the camera is waterproof and resistant to high temperatures to work in extreme heat or cold. The DoHonest V25 has great all-around performance and is a smart option if you want to mount an extra wireless camera on your car. It can also be a decent buy if you're on a budget and want a wireless backup camera. Our review team found the DoHonest to be a mixed bag. Overall video quality was decent enough, and the installation was quick considering the display magnetically attaches to the suction cup mount. Number 3 in my list is E-Rapta ERT01 backup camera. If your vehicle already has an LCD display, the E-Rapta ERT01 car rearview camera may be the best license plate backup camera for you. Instead of a full system with a monitor, you only get the camera to connect to your in-vehicle display. It comes at an affordable price and allows for relatively simple license plate mounting. This bare-bones option is not without other perks. The camera is waterproof, features a 149-degree field of view, and comes with 25.0 feet of cable, which is likely long enough to cover everything from sedans to trucks to even some RVs. If installed correctly, the wired connection should provide a clear, stable picture of your car's surroundings in real time. At this lower price point, you lose the level of customization that some higher-tier backup camera systems offer. The only way to adjust the parking lines on the ERT01 is to physically tilt the camera up or down, and you must cut a wire if you want to turn them off completely. Having a wired backup camera also means you may have to hide cabling along your vehicle's trim. Number 2 in my list is Amtifo RV backup camera. The Amtifo A8 FHD may be your best backup camera option if you're driving an RV, camper, or towing a trailer and want all angles covered. This camera works reliably on vehicles up to 80.0 feet long, features a wireless range of up to 984.0 feet, and has the capacity to support 4 video feeds. A 7.0-inch display screen rounds out the package. Unlike smaller monitors, this device has front-facing buttons for easy access and split-screen capabilities, so you can see feeds from multiple cameras at once. If you want to mount multiple cameras on your vehicle, you can purchase them separately. If you haul trailers, drive an RV, or own a heavy-duty truck, the Amtifo is a good backup camera choice. The camera mounting bracket is rock solid, and the video quality is spectacular, something you want from a system that can support up to 4 cameras. Number 1 in my list is Auto-VOX CS2 wireless backup camera. We rate the Auto-VOX CS2 as the overall best backup camera for its competitive price, relatively simple features, and easy installation. This backup camera kit comes with a 4.3-inch monitor display, and its wireless connection removes the labor of hiding wires underneath your car's trim. Monitor installation is relatively painless with the Auto-VOX CS2, which provides a suction cup so you can attach the camera to your dashboard or your windshield. You can put the camera itself on your license plate, but this may require drilling an additional hole in your trunk to connect the power cable. If you're searching for a simple wireless backup camera with quick installation, the Auto-VOX is a solid pick. It's a no-frills choice, but successfully performs the basics of a backup camera system. Alright guys, this we are today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for amazing incoming videos. Be sure to check out the link in the description for updated price of all the products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.